Bel Air, Texas. Police get word that a truck driver has caused an accident and is now fleeing the scene in his big rig.
634, I'm behind him.
When police try to block the trucker's escape, he merely rams the cruiser out of the way.
Just hit a car, just hit one of our cars. Car, hit my patrol car.
He almost completely tears off the car's rear bumper.
Yeah, I'm fine. My car's tore up, but I'm fine. One southbound 59, southbound.
Police pursue the big rig driver for nearly 20 minutes, but they can't stop him.
16, still moving.
Luckily, it looks like the traffic can.
16, we're coming up on heavy traffic.
316, that's clear, coming up on heavy traffic.
Traffic is completely stopped up ahead of us on the freeway.
This driver is not ready to give up. He rams a truck out of his way and pushes one car on top of another. He hits 5 vehicles in order to make his escape. Now he's back on the road, with remnants of one of the cars he hit stuck on his front fender. After laying spike chains on the road, police box the driver in. They fire multiple rounds into his engine block.
.316, clear, taking it to the grass.
Vehicle has stopped, so is in custody.
It takes almost 30 law enforcement vehicles to stop this trucker, something these vehicles couldn't.